In 1992, Adobe published an earlier 3D rendering tool, Adobe Dimensions version 1.0. It was a low-cost 3D object editing and rendering program. Unlike other 3D rendering programs, Dimensions version 1 is specifically geared towards producing illustrations for print. This earlier copy of Dimensions can import 2D objects from a number of other illustration programs, such as Adobe Illustrator or Freehand, and edited to create 3D objects. Then, instead of outputting a pixelated raster image, it outputs in PostScript Bezier curves, which can then be further processed by other 2D illustration packages. Anyway, I'm grateful I wasn't there at this time. On March 28, 2017, Adobe released the nowadays Dimension software. It started out as Project Felix and became Dimension on October 18, 2017. From then, this piece of software keeps evolving and growing. And now it became a big deal that you can't just ignore anymore. For example, in Adobe Dimension 2020 April release, there are many capabilities like 3D text and customizable shapes, as well as enhancements to lighting and new file format support. Just to make you have a more clear picture, let me tell you that in earlier versions of Dimension, you can't really create the shape of the model from scratch. All you can do is drag and drop limited assets that already come with the program. That was cool, by the way. But a little bit limits the boundaries of creativity. In addition to that, the range of supported file formats you can import is narrow too. But now in this release, and of course the upcoming ones, you can bring your basic shapes, text, and modify them, and you're free to import more third-party models. Since the program now supports a wide range of file formats. And I'm sure in the future there will be more and more. So are you ready?